Liebe Modellbahnfreunde,
Dear model railroad friends, in this how-to video we will show you how to control the turntable with the new mobile station in the basic mode. To control the turntable in the basic mode, you'll have to change the address of the turntable to the address 1 through 4. The address that is programmed in the turntable is 225. If you already have some products in the mobile station with addresses 1 through 4, for example signals or turnouts, you'll have to change those first so that these addresses are no longer used. To change the turntable address to the address 1 through 4, you have to, for one, start with undoing the stop button and then go through addresses 1 through 4 on your mobile station and touch green through red. Let me show it to you. I'll get off the stop mode, green, red, green, red, green, red, and green, red. If it worked, you'll hear that tone. Now, to turn the turntable, you can, using the 4 addresses, address number 4, you can use to turn the turntable to the right. So when I push green, then the turntable will turn to the right clockwise, but only one step to the next track. So when it stops, you can push red again, and then of course we can do the same with address number 3. I push green, and the turntable will turn to the left. And again, just one step. So, and in the same way, I'll put it back to red, and I'll go one more step to the left, so I can go to address number 2. At address number 2, you can turn the turntable 180 degrees. So that means when I push the green button, the turntable will turn 180 degrees, and when I push red, the turntable will stop at the nearest track. So, when I push green, the turntable will start turning 180 degrees. In this case to the left. Why to the left? Because the last step that I used was a left direction. So now the 180 degrees will also be to the left. If my last step was going to the right, this 180 degree turn would go to the right. And when I push the red, the turntable will stop at the next available track. Now finally, with address number 1, I have the ability to unlock the turntable. So I push green and it unlocks. And now I can, by hand, move the turntable and perhaps set it at a certain setting. And then I push red and you hear this little clicking sound, and that shows that the turntable, the bridge, is again locked in. Now we have programmed the turntable in the basic mode with the mobile station. If you prefer to also have the sound effects with the central or the mobile station, you will have to use the mobile station in the advanced mode. And that we will show you in a next video. I hope this short translation was useful and helpful for you. And remember to hit that like button, and see you next time.